Hey guys, welcome to Gingerhead Aviation Patriot on YouTube. Let's get into it. We're gonna be making something for my wife out of wood. We're gonna do a little woodworking project. Basically, she wants like a book holder you can use with your finger and just hold it here. It's like a piece of wood that just lays across the pages, or hold it down here and you can leave it there and it'll hold your place without the book closing or something. It's not very much money on Amazon, but I feel like I can make one for cheaper because I got some scrap wood, I got some tools, I got some stain, and I think I can make it look nice and do a little Valentine's Day present for her, handmade, instead of buying something. Go ahead and get to it. All right, let's go out to the back and get scrap pieces of wood, see which one works for us. All right, y'all, we got the sticks. We got a 2x6, kind of shaved down on one side. They were like, previous owner had this and was using it for like a ramp to get in and out of the house. And we have this 2x4 right here. They're both pretty beat up, but it's just gonna get, sanded down and stained once it's all cut and, done properly. So let's see if we can figure this out. You want it to be even on both sides. That looks fairly even. Pencil sucks. Now we cut it off. I have terrible lighting right here. I need to get some lights installed or something. Holy cow. Let's borrow my wife's book again. So basically it's gonna go like this. And then there's gonna be, the goal is to have an equal side here. Whew! Look. Cracked. But there's gonna be a hole here. And basically put your finger in it and hold it on the book. It doesn't look very pretty, but it's custom. So I don't have any wood glue, but I have construction adhesive. So I'm gonna use construction adhesive to try and fix that crack. I know it's kind of ridiculous, probably sounds dumb, but that's what I'm gonna use because that's what I got. We use what we got, you guys. We use what we got. Heavy duty construction adhesive. Heavy duty, so it's gotta work, right? Try and squeeze it in all these gaps. Use my finger to squish it in these cracks. Try to get as much in there as I can. Then, wipe your fingers off. Take my little baby clamp. Clamp this down. That's gonna work. You can see it oozing out the sides there. So I'm pretty sure that's gonna work. I just don't want to clamp it too tight because then it'll flatten the top of the point. We're going to let this dry and we'll come back to it at a later time. Alright guys, it's been 24 hours. This thing had a 24-hour cure time. So, oh yeah, that worked great. Now we're gonna sand it down. Sand it down, clean it up, round off some of these edges, keep the points and some of the other edges, see if we can't get all this excess construction adhesive off. And then we're gonna stain it. And she'll have a little book holder thingy that she's been wanting off Amazon, but homemade is better than Amazon, right? As long as it comes out decent, right? All right, let's get my sander. All right, let's go get my wife's book. This is the idea. Put it right here. You can hold it like this. It holds your pages open for you. See how it kind of forms to the pages. See? Vice versa. Hold it like that. Or you could hold it down here at the bottom, like that, and it holds the pages open for you. Pretty sick. Let's put some stain on here and make it look a little bit prettier. All right, I got a damp towel. I'm gonna wipe this down just to get all the dust off, all the shavings off before we stain it. A little heat to dry this thing, speed up the process a little bit. I'm gonna wear gloves because I always seem to get paint or stain everywhere when I use it, and I don't want to get it everywhere on my hands. I hate it. All right, there you have it. I also think that the red stain, the dark, well, it's not red, but it's red mahogany, 225, and I think it will also help hide a lot of the imperfections. We're gonna let this dry, and then we'll come back and look at it, see how it looks, and then give it to her. Ow. All right, guys, we're all done. It's dried. Looks good. You can see all the like little lines, the grains. So it's not perfect, but it's handmade. Got some cuts and scrapes and bruises on my fingers from cutting myself and hitting myself with a hammer, but I think it'll work, and I think she's gonna love it. This is exactly what she's been wanting. So let's go give it to her and see her reaction, shall we? Hey, I made you something. Here, come here.
Oh man, it's not gonna ruin the book, right?
No.
Look at that.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
You can hold it up top too if you want.
Oh yeah, that'll work too. Yeah, I like that.
Thanks for watching Gingerhead Aviation Patriot here on YouTube. We do have some custom stickers, so if you're interested, there's a link in the bio and a link in the description. I really appreciate you guys, and if this is something you guys are interested in, hit that like and subscribe button and hit the bell so you guys get some notifications. I put out new videos every week. I look forward to seeing you guys next time. Take it easy.